BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF sees record $523 million outflow amid market downturn. Bitcoin, BlackRock ETF. Bitcoin has fallen nearly 30% from its October peak, pushing U.S. spot ETF investors into the red. Crypto journalist Amin Ayan. Crypto journalist Amin Ayan. About author. Amin Ayan is a crypto journalist with over 4 years of experience in the industry. He has contributed to leading publications such as Cryptonews, Investing.com, 99 Bitcoins, and 24/7 Wall Street. He has author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated 36 minutes ago. BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin Trust, IBIT, recorded its largest single-day outflow since launch, as investors withdrew $523 million on Tuesday, a sharp signal of deteriorating sentiment in an already fragile crypto market. Key takeaways. BlackRock's IBIT saw a record $523 million single-day outflow, signaling weakening confidence across the crypto market. Bitcoin has fallen nearly 30% from its October peak, pushing U.S. spot ETF investors into the red. Tightening liquidity and macro uncertainty are prompting traders to hedge aggressively against further downside. The outflow marked the fund's 5th consecutive day of redemptions, according to data from SoSoValue. Bitcoin sinks 30% from peak as ETF investors slip into the red. Bitcoin has now fallen nearly 30% from its October all-time high, dropping to its weakest level since April. The decline follows the October 10th liquidation event that erased roughly $19 billion in leveraged positions, a shock that the market has yet to recover from. On Tuesday, Bitcoin broke below a key threshold that pushed investors in the 12 U.S. spot Bitcoin ETFs collectively into the red, further accelerating outflows. More than $3 billion has been pulled from the group so far this month, nearly $2 billion of which came from IBIT alone. BlackRock did not respond to a request for comment. The retreat is notable given IBIT's breakout performance since making its debut in January 2024. The fund has gathered more than $72 billion in assets and attracted around $26 billion of inflows this year, becoming the dominant spot Bitcoin ETF in the U.S. market. However, the recent wave of redemptions has fueled concerns that institutional appetite is cooling as macro uncertainty grows. ETF outflows combined with long-term holder sales have tightened market liquidity, pushing short-term Bitcoin prices lower and highlighting weakening market confidence. Dylan Wu, research strategist at Pepperstone, told Bloomberg, options traders are also positioning defensively. Sean Dawson, head of research at Derive.xyz, said a growing number of market participants are buying protection against Bitcoin falling to $80,000 by late December. With ongoing concerns about the resilience of the U.S. job market and the probability of a December rate cut slipping to barely above a coin toss, there's very little in the macro backdrop giving traders a reason to stay bullish into the close of the year, he noted. Digital asset products see $2 billion outflows. As reported, digital asset investment products suffered their heaviest weekly outflows since February, with $2 billion exiting the market last week. The sell-off marked the 3rd consecutive week of withdrawals, bringing total outflows over the period to $3.2 billion. The slump follows sharp price declines across major cryptocurrencies, which have pushed total assets under management in digital asset ETPs down 27% from their early October peak of $264 billion to $191 billion. Analysts cited ongoing monetary policy uncertainty and aggressive selling from crypto-native whale wallets as the main drivers behind the downturn. The U.S. accounted for the overwhelming share of outflows, with $1.97 billion leaving U.S.-based products. Switzerland and Hong Kong followed at a distance, recording $39.9 million and $12.3 million in outflows. Follow us on Google News, Trending News, Recommended Popular Crypto Topics Price Predictions. Live Fed Payments Innovation Conference. Real-time updates as Federal Reserve discusses crypto, stablecoins, and AI with industry leaders' crypto market prospect. After the washout, the soil looks richer. XRP price prediction. Millions vanish from XRP funds. Are institutions quietly dumping before a bigger crash? Bitcoin price falls as analysts point to hidden losses by a big player. World's smartest man forecasts Bitcoin to reach $220,000 in the next 45 days. Price analysis. China's Alibaba AI predicts the price of XRP, Bitcoin, Ethereum by the end of 2025. 1 day ago, by Tim Hackey. Price analysis. Bitcoin price prediction. Is the bearish ABCD pattern pointing to a drop below $83,800? 1 day ago, by Arslan Butt. Price analysis. XRP price prediction. ETF hype dies fast as sellers crush XRP. What happens if $2.22 support fails? 1 day ago, by Alejandro Arich. Best crypto to buy now in November 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 16 hours ago, by Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in today. Top new crypto coins. 1 day ago, by Inesis Tavares. Best crypto presales to invest in November 2025. 1 day ago, by Alan Draper. 13 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in November 2025. 23 hours ago, by Elijah Rankovich. 12 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 17 hours ago, by Elijah Rankovich. The next crypto to explode in 2025. Our top picks. 17 hours ago, by Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. 1 day ago, by Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 29, 2025, by Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. November 4, 2025, by Ben Beto.